In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create this abstract art image. This is how the scene looks like, and I have used a mesh circle, a curve point, and 6-point lights. The lights all have different colors, and they were placed in the scene randomly. This curve was created by extruding a curve point. If you don't have this menu item, please activate an add-on called Extra Objects. In edit mode, type F to fill and E to extrude. Ctrl 1 to subdivide, and Ctrl R to place 2 loop cuts. Let's scale the loop cuts apart. If you don't have the curve point in the menu, please activate an add-on called Extra Objects. Please remember to press the 3D button. Type E to extrude. In edit mode, once you're done extruding, type A as in alpha to select all, V as in Victor to set the handle type, and A to smooth it. Let's add 2 more modifiers. In edit mode, type A to select all, and R to rotate. Then I applied all the modifiers, scaled, and rotated the mesh. I'll show you the materials, lights, and the render setting details next. Here is the composite node detail. This is the end of the tutorial. Thank you for watching.